Hello traders, today I want to show you our new product called TradersAlly Zone Trader, and it's a indicator slash auto trader for NinjaTrader. You can navigate to our website tradersally.com and click to the products and you will see this indicator there. We currently have a sale and so yeah, go ahead and check it out. But in this video, I'll show you how it works and just briefly describe it about it. So it's as you can see, it draws zones, and then we plot a pending order from those zones to target whatever we want to target. So let me run um, the market replay and see, so you could see it. Now I currently enabled it to start from 9:36, so it should open up a trade soon, or at least pending order. That way I'll
Order
explain.
submitted.
Oops, a little bit too loud. But here it is. So it draws the zone, and then we place pending order at specified level. It's similar to trading IB, initial balance strategy, but it's based on the zones instead. Initial balance you only get once in a trading session, but these zones you have multiple of them. And currently I run it on 30-second M&Q chart. And if we open up our settings, you could see we have these two buttons. They're enabled, so it takes the trade. And we can have this is the structure length that describes the length of these zones. So I currently have it at 8, and I currently target extension. I currently enable runner and extension to 1.4. So that could tell you like in, well, actually let me go back.
Order canceled.
So let me so the idea is, you saw that the basic idea for this testing is that we place a pending order at this level, and we assume price is going to retest this level. But sometimes we want to go, hey, we want to extend these levels. So let's continue on, and I will show you a little bit more. It should bring more trades. We also have this blue line. It's a EMA
Order
line.
submitted.
See there? So it placed a pending order at this level. It targeted this level, which okay, so that's where it placed it. It just price is retraced here, but it will be targeting these highs and the extension for the runner. So let me just
Order filled.
okay, so that one filled and we still have runner. And let me show you in these in the settings. So remember, we enabled runner and we enabled extension for a runner, which is 1.0.4. So that will be that. And down here we're specified that we want to have ATR of at least 7 and max is 25. We could also enable breakeven, but I didn't want to do that. We can also have it HTF filter. Like if we enable it, then we will only take this blue zone only if on a 15-minute chart this zone is within the larger 15-minute zone. So that kind of makes it kind of double down on a setup, but I didn't do it here. I instead prefer to have EMA as a filter. So we're saying that, hey, we only want to take trades if our pending order is above EMA at the time of the zone, um, at the time when zone finishes. So this combo box is what? It's this zone. It's when it draws you a visual where where we had a bear zone and then we kind of overlap with a blue zone and with a bull zone that indicates strong signal, reversal signal type thing. This stop loss shortening, we would say if we don't want the stop loss to be at the low of this box, maybe we want to shorten it. So if we would say 0.25, our stop loss would be here around 303,450, 45, something like that would bring it here. But that's an option we could do to test it out. So, and we have a hard close for 40. This is the zone filter that we want to trade within. Minimum would be 10 and a maximum would be 100. We also enable dynamic sizing here, as that it will calculate between the base and runner the $200 max risk. And these are some visuals, and this is where we have statistics. You could enable it here, and we also have a time filter, and you could probably disable those, and your statistics will show up here. And obviously for historical statistics it's not as accurate as market replay, but it still gives you a pretty good indication of which strategies it works, which params don't work, which works better, which don't. So, and if we could just continue on with our test.
Order filled.
Right, so it filled that, and it's going to continue. I think there will be another one.
Order submitted.
Right, see, so our pending order is above EMA. Yeah, and I forgot to show you that you can totally customize the pending order levels, which is right here. I found that for this type of scenario 0.3 works really well, but you could put it to make it to at 50%, depends what you want. But yeah, that's what it is. And the stop loss pending order expires within 40 bars, so it will stay here active until filled for 40 bars. And stop loss offsetting ticks is 20 ticks, and I think
Order
that
canceled.
we've already seen that that it places stop loss a little bit below. So and also we have we also have a user manual here. You could check out here. I tried to list all the params in there, so you could have a quick view of what they are. Okay, thanks for watching.